If you're a developer, you know the nightmare all too well. You pour hours into building a new feature, push it with confidence, and then the tests fail, or worse, they don't catch the bugs that blow up in production. Manual test cases pile up, frameworks get brittle, edge cases slip through, and your release velocity grinds to a halt. What if testing could be completely hands-off? What if your IDE's AI assistant could understand your code, generate professional-grade tests, run them securely, report insights, and even fix issues automatically? That's the reality with TestSprite MCP Server. It's not just another test, the difference is night and day. Traditional testing demands you write every case by hand, wrestle with setup complexity, debug failures manually, and accept limited coverage that misses critical paths. Maintenance becomes a constant drain as code changes. TestSprite changes all that by leveraging AI to automate intelligently. It reads your product requirements and code, normalizes a clean specification, generates comprehensive test plans that include edge cases most humans overlook, writes executable scripts in the right frameworks, runs everything in secure cloud environments, delivers detailed visual reports, and even analyzes failures to patch your codebase automatically. For individual developers, this means shipping features dramatically faster with instant feedback loops and no test writing overhead. For teams, it delivers predictable quality, consistent broad coverage across functional, UI, security, and performance scenarios, and massive reductions in manual QA effort. Real users are seeing testing cycles shrink from hours to minutes while achieving professional-grade code quality.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Let's dive into what makes TestSprite MCP Server so special. It uses the Model Context Protocol, an open standard that lets AI assistants connect to external systems, to bridge your IDE directly with TestSprite's advanced testing engine. Compatible with agent-first environments like Antigravity, Cursor, Tray, Claude Code, VS Code, and more. The process is beautifully streamlined. You start with one simple prompt in your IDE chat, and the system orchestrates 8 powerful steps behind the scenes. First, it ingests your product requirements, whether from an uploaded document or your description. Then it performs a deep analysis of your codebase, understanding structure, features, dependencies, and implementation details. From there, it creates a normalized, professional product requirements document that serves as the foundation. Next, it generates detailed test plans covering everything: user journeys, form validation, interactive components, authorization flows, error handling, API contracts, schema validation, boundary conditions, data integrity, and even security checks. It then writes clean, executable test code using the appropriate frameworks: Playwright or Cypress for front-end UI flows, proper tooling for back-end logic. Execution happens securely in isolated cloud environments, so there's no strain on your machine and results are reliable. Finally, you get rich, human-readable reports with actionable insights and the option for the AI to automatically patch failing code. This works across modern stacks. For front-end, React, Vue, Angular, Svelte, Next.js, Vite, vanilla JavaScript, or TypeScript. For back-end, Node.js with Express, Python Fast API, Java Spring Boot, Go, REST APIs, GraphQL. It handles real-world complexity like authenticated flows, stateful UI, resilience testing, and persistence checks. What sets it apart is the intelligence. It doesn't just run scripted checks. It adapts to your project, catching subtle issues like UI state inconsistencies, authentication leaks, or API boundary violations that traditional approaches often miss. Getting started is straightforward, and the process works similarly across supported IDEs. Full details in the TestSprite documentation for yours. Since I'm using Google's Antigravity, that's what I'll demonstrate. You'll need Node.js version 22 or higher installed. Grab it from the official site if necessary. Head over to TestSprite.com, sign up to access the platform, and once logged in, navigate to Settings and then API Keys. Click to create a new key and copy it securely. You'll only need it for this setup. Now in Antigravity, open your agent panel, click the drop-down at the top, select Manage MCP Servers, and then View Raw Config. This opens your mcp_config.json file. Add the TestSprite configuration exactly like this, replacing the placeholder with your actual API key. This setup runs the TestSprite server on demand using npx, passing your key securely as an environment variable. No global installations, no port management headaches. It's clean and efficient. Save the file, restart anti-gravity if prompted, and verify success when your AI assistant recognizes the TestSprite tools without any errors. With everything connected, let's run your first full test. I'll use a real Next.js application with user authentication, dashboard features, and API endpoints. Open a new chat in anti-gravity and simply type, "Can you test this project with TestSprite?" Instantly, a polished testing configuration page opens in your browser. This is where you provide the context the AI needs for optimal results. At the top, select your testing type. Choose front-end mode for UI and user flow testing, or back-end for API and server logic. Then pick scope, codebase for a complete project sweep, perfect when starting fresh, or code diff to focus only on recent Git changes for quick validation during development. If your app requires login, fill in test account info with credentials for a non-production test user. Username and password fields make authenticated flows seamless. Next, enter your local development port details. Add a specific path if needed, like /dashboard for protected routes, ensuring the tester can reach key areas. The most important part is the product specification document. Upload any document that describes your features, user journeys, purpose, and expected behavior. PDF, Markdown, even rough notes work brilliantly. The AI uses this to normalize a professional PRD, filling in gaps and ensuring tests align perfectly with your intent. Once everything looks good, hit continue. Back in the chat, the agent confirms and begins orchestrating the workflow. You'll see real-time updates as it analyzes your codebase, normalizes the PRD, generates a comprehensive test plan with dozens of cases, writes the actual scripts, and executes everything in the cloud. When complete, a new TestSprite folder appears in your project with the normalized PRD, configuration details, code summary, and most importantly, rich reports in both Markdown and HTML formats, complete with screenshots for UI tests, detailed failure traces, and categorized insights across functional, UX, security, and performance areas. If the report shows failures common on first runs, just ask in chat. Please fix the codebase based on TestSprite results. The agent dives in, identifies root causes, applies precise patches, reruns verification tests, and iterates until everything passes. In my example, it resolved authentication redirect issues and form validation edge cases autonomously. Beyond the data, TestSprite gives you literal eyes on the execution. If you head over to your dashboard on TestSprite.com, you can access the smart video playback for any front-end test. Here, every interaction is recorded as a high-fidelity video clip, showing the AI agent navigating your UI, clicking buttons, and validating flows in real time. It's the ultimate visual preview of your product in practice. Instead of just reading a pass or fail, you can actually see how your app behaves under test, making it incredibly easy to spot layout shifts, flickering elements, or UX glitches that logs alone might miss. This transparency ensures that what the AI validates perfectly aligns with the high-quality experience your users expect. This closed-loop intelligence is what makes TestSprite revolutionary, turning testing from a bottleneck into an accelerator. Get started with a paid plan at TestSprite.com today and experience autonomous testing that keeps pace with your development speed. If this transformed how you think about quality, like the video, comment your biggest testing challenge below, and subscribe for more game-changing tools. Thanks for watching.